Good morning, kindergartners. I am so excited to get to read you a story today. The story I chose is called The Dandelion Seed. And I chose this story because we're fresh into the season of spring and we get to go through all the different seasons that this little guy, this dandelion seed, experiences. So let's see what he finds on his adventure. This book is written by Joseph Anthony and illustrated, remember what that means? The one who drew all the pictures, by Chris Arbo. Right. It was autumn in the garden. All the flowers had died and dropped their seeds. Only one seed was left, a little dandelion seed who was afraid to let go. But the winter wind began to blow, and the stronger the wind blew, the tighter the seed hung on until it felt the wind blowing right through it. It's really holding on tight there. Then the seed left the garden behind. It became part of the wind and was carried away. There he is up there. The world was bigger than the seed had ever imagined. It was more frightening. Can you see the seed on this picture? Right there. It was more lonely. You can see the seed silhouette in the moon. And it was more beautiful. The more the seed saw, the smaller it felt. So tricky to see the seed on this page. It's flying up in here. It wondered where it belonged. There he is right there. The seed landed when the snow began to fall, and it listened in silence as peace covered it like a blanket. The seed is covered like a blanket in the snowy ground. Finally, spring came. The sunshine warmed the air and the soil, and the little seed began to grow tiny little leaves and roots. Its leaves spread wide to gather the sunlight. Its roots reached deep to drink the fresh rain. Soon, the seed flowered into bright, delicate dandelion, the dandelion that it was meant to be. It shared its green leaves with deer and rabbits. It gave sweet nectar to the bees and the butterflies. Then, almost overnight, the life that began as one little dandelion seed ripened into many. Then they each became part of the wind, and then they were carried away. All except for one. Don't be afraid, whispered the dandelion. The wind and the sun and the rain, they will take care of you. Let go, and you will see. You will see. The end. And that was the adventure of the dandelion seed. And I know that if you went outside into your yard, you would probably find some dandelions that weren't quite ready to be seeds yet, but looked similar to this. So I have a challenge for you, kindergartners. Do you think you can go find 3 different signs of spring? One of them could be your dandelion. And then you'll have to think about what some other signs of spring might be. But I know that you can do it. I hope you guys are all staying happy and healthy. And just know that we all love and miss you so much. Have a great day.